back to the vlog.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. We finally got our parts. Look. Waited a couple weeks. $175 for 4 bolts, couple nuts, and some stuff over there. So this is what our goal is today. Andrew's coming over to help. Thank you, Andrew. He's probably gonna be
late,
as always.
Oh, isn't there a car meet tonight?
Possibly.
We're
gonna get the bumper on. We're gonna get the headlights in, and we have LED flashers that are day running lights that we have to run resistors for. Planning to get that in. And the ultimate goal, if we could get the hood on. We have a used hood with a grill, and that's why Andrew's coming over. So what we should start with is the LED resistor. So we have one of these right here. See? Right there. So what this does, let's make sure you can focus on my ugly mug, thank you. One side goes to the power, one side goes to the ground. We put the LED in and it should work. So why don't you turn the lights on, okay, or the blinker so we can see what the blinker looks like now. All right, we can't show you because the blinker bulb is shot. So we're gonna try to install this thing right now and go from there.
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I'm having a celebration.
Why? Why are you having a celebration?
Because I did it.
You did it? What'd you do?
Put the thingy on the thing.
Oh, is that all you did?
Yep.
Did
Now I don't know what to do. No. Right?
Yeah.
Am I doing that right? But how do I?
Guys, she can tumble, she's a cheerleader, she can do backflips. Oh, look.
Wait, was that the right way?
There you go.
No, but it doesn't go. There's no room.
Take your little fingers and get this out. There you go. Now, we're gonna use an extension.
Ooh.
No, you're gonna use an extension. There you go.
Thank you.
Right here. Get
Look
to
at
it.
that.
How long does it take to take a headlight off?
Too long. Okay. Wait, do we go all the way around? I got You only taught Leo these things.
I wonder why.
Because I couldn't do it.
Because you were too busy
Tumbling.
doing other stuff. Where is
I'm
all of
definitely
our
not
ratchets?
doing this right.
Holy shit.
You've never taught me how to do this. I'm visual. Ready?
Okay.
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 Okay, well we can
Unscrew it.
Oh, I didn't.
That's all you gotta do is
What?
unscrew it. That's it. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Obviously, I'm really good at this, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Pro. Then he's gonna ask me to put it back on, and I'm gonna struggle. Oh gosh. I did it. Oh, there's something in my ear.
Okay, so there was already some work done to this, so let's hope it's not too messed up. What it looks like, there was an LED on here previously, which there was, so we're gonna pop this off and we're gonna install the new one. Okay, let's do this one first. Hope it didn't mess it up too much.
Yeah, we just stopped two.
It just snapped.
Well, it just fell off, kind of.
It wasn't our fault.
Definitely not. But it's tail.
Yeah. Okay, so we got to put the resistor on this side. Also, what these do is this is a way to cut into a wire without cutting into a wire. Okay? Mm-hmm. Try to get this son of a bitch in. Okay, that one's in. And then
Look at that.
hopefully we do this right. We'll put this one in. Again, fat finger problems. And apparently these get very hot.
But don't they stay on all day though?
No, but when they're on, they get very hot.
And that's bad.
Yes. Well, you can't mount it to plastic, it says.
Yes, because it'll melt it.
That's correct. Okay, so get the bulb. Old bulb, new bulb. See it? Perfect. So, big difference. Let's see if it works. All right, Belle, go turn on the lights. Turn the little switch. There we go. Now turn on the signal to make a left. Push it down. No, down.
I did it right, guys. I did it right. It just doesn't turn left. I don't know why.
All right, shut it off. Huh. I don't know.
I did it.
We'll have to figure this one out. All right, so one of the parts we were missing was for the headlight to get these things in. We had to order them and the screws. So the way it works is when we stick the screw in, it's gonna push this up and lock the clip in. So let me just keep going. Whoa.
Okay,
All right,
that's wrong.
that's
Incorrect.
you broke it.
I broke it?
Yeah.
I did?
Yeah.
How? Too much?
Oh shit.
Did I actually break it?
Yeah.
Okay.
God, that hurt. All right, we'll fuck this one up. All right, take two. So what you do is you put this side in first, and then you squeeze it in like that.
Look at that.
Ooh
Ta-da!
la la. Let's try this one. Now that my finger, Bella broke my
I
finger.
didn't break his finger.
She broke my finger. It's broken. It'll never be the same again. It'll be
That's how my middle
forever
finger is.
broken.
Forever broken.
Two more. Is there two there?
Yeah.
Awesome. Turn on the headlights real quick. Let's see what works and what doesn't. Boom! Awesome. Now try the signals real quick. Let's see if any of the signals work. Maybe they... Up and down. Up. Down. Try the high beams. Pull towards you. Nothing. All right, try it down. So the way it works is this plate goes on the back. We got the bolts where the screws bolt, and yeah. So give me another one of these out of the bag. Oh, by the way, these were $20.99 each.
Can I just rip it open?
Yeah. Got one. Got two.
Is it there?
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. Screw. Tight. Go, go. All right, hold on. All right, of course, it's starting to rain, but we got our objective done, almost. We got the bumper in, we got the headlights, got to get the hood, need a steering stabilizer, a new tire, coolant. We'll check the fluids. Thanks for catching up, thanks for watching. Sorry we suck.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.